TV Ray Linfield here and Denham Stone out for a ride on the ATV Sunday morning, May 9th, 2021. Check it out, we're riding along the Colorado River in beautiful Moab, Utah. Tell you what, let's go for a ride. Woohoo! It's a beautiful day. That's some beautiful scenery. Oh yeah, you gotta love it. Check it out, man. That's the Colorado River, baby. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Some big old cliffs up there, boy. Oh yeah. There's a bunch of campers, hikers. All right, you get the idea. This is a blast, man. Everybody ought to try out a Kawasaki 1000. It's a bad boy ATV. What beautiful scenery. There's Moonflower Canyon. Check out Moonflower Canyon. Wow, what a great place to hike. We'll go a little further and then we'll be checking on out, man. All right, everybody. This is Steve Linfield and Denham Stone saying, have a great one. Later, dudes. Woohoo! Later.